Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to teach you how to create this amazing typography post for social media. So let's begin. First, open Canva. Click on Custom Size. Take a 1080 by 1350 pixels canvas. Go to Photos. Search Dancing Girl. Take this image to the canvas, click on More, then click on Info. Then choose See More like this. Now, delete the image. Now you'll see the same images in different poses. You can choose any one of them. We'll take this one. Remove its background. Click on Flip, then flip it horizontal. Now adjust its size. Now go to Color. Click on this plus icon. Choose Gradient. Now, first add the light color, then the dark color. Duplicate it and drag it to first. Now, add a new color stop. Change its color also. Add the same gradient stop and drag it to the first position. Now, choose Circular Gradient. After this, go to Photos. Search Black Sand. Take this one. Rotate it to 90 degrees. Expand it to the background. Go to Position, then Layer. Send it to back. Now, set its transparency to 30. Next, go to Text. Add a heading. Type D. Go to Font. Search Garrett. Choose Garrett Bold Font. Change font size to 250 pixels. Click on Text Color. Change its color to a light one. Now, duplicate and add all texts. Adjust all texts' position. After this, duplicate the character image. Overlap it with the main image, then crop like us. Duplicate the image and crop again like us. Again, duplicate and repeat the whole process like us. After this, duplicate the letter D. Go to Effect and apply Hollow Effect. Set thickness to 10. Overlap it on D. Now, duplicate this letter and do the same for all letters. After this, go to Elements and search Drop Shadow. Go to Graphics section and add this one. Click on Edit. Then go to Duotone. Choose Custom. Click on Shadows. Add our light color value. Now adjust its size and place it on the bottom of the foot. Go to Layer, place it below. After this, duplicate the character again. Click on Edit. Then go to Duotone, choose Custom. Set highlight color to black. Set shadows color also to black. Next, go to Blur, choose Whole Image. Set blur to 50. Click on Transparency, set it also to 50. Adjust shadow's position. Select shadow. Now drag this shadow and place it just before the background. Now duplicate this shadow, overlap it. Click on Edit, then Magic Eraser. Set brush size to full. Now brush over the whole shadow image, leaving only a small part of the hands. Click on Erase to delete parts. Now, again, duplicate the shadow. Click on Edit, then Magic Eraser. Brush the parts like us. Erase them all. Adjust this position. Set transparency to 30. Now, repeat the same process to create other shadow parts. Go to Text, add a subheading, type 2, go to Font, search Avalon Alt, choose this font, set font size to 30 pixels, make it uppercase, set letter spacing to 150 pixels, duplicate the text, type Express, change font size to 60 pixels, duplicate the text again, type Not To, duplicate the large text, type Impress. Now adjust all text position. Our typography design is ready. Let's see the result. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.